After the SMM followed a week of training and analysis at Flensburg University of Applied Sciences. The Maritime Research and Training Centre houses Northern Europe's largest and most modern navigation simulator system. This provides perfect conditions to examine the functionality of the solutions. Students, experienced mariners and pilots are the participants to go through the scenarios.
This route exchange is a very good tool to see the situation very clear where you navigate. You can try out if there is any danger in the forehand, and you can change your route and activate the route, and all vessels in the vicinity see what you have done, and the situation is now clear and safe navigation is okay. We have high-level expectations.
Prior to the briefing, the participants learnt about the functions of the e-navigation prototype display.
EPD is we call it the e-navigation prototype display. It's an open source platform. It's not a commercial product, it's an open source product that we have developed to test and demonstrate potential e-navigation solutions. We can actually test those potential solutions in simulators, bringing in the navigators, trying out simulated environment of how the future might look in 2020 and so on. So we can get some very valuable feedback on the potential of these solutions.
The first scenario is about tactical route exchange service and shore-based route suggestion. This scenario takes place at the testbed offshore East Anglia.
The ship is actually at the anchorage, Cape Matilde, and is leaving the anchorage, proceeding to the pilot station. During this, they will receive a new suggested route from the VTS, and they have to observe if that route will be correct or if that route is better than their own planned route to the pilot station.
The master, chief mate and second officer are preparing for the scenario. From now on, every step and decision will be observed by a research team.
We are now entering our route into the EPD system, which is propagating all the other routes to us. And so we got the chance to check if our route is okay for all the other vessels around us.
Pilot, this is the tanker Cape Matilde.
Yes, tanker Matilde, this is pilot.
Cape Matilde is on the way, the anchor's up, and we're proceeding to the pilot station.
Okay, thank you, Matilde.
Okay, then we can speeding up.
Cape Matilde, this is Hammer Pilot, channel 16, over.
Bridge 1 is listening.
Yes, Bridge 1. Pilot is on arrival, port side, 2 meters above the water.
And with a boarding speed of 4 knots through the water.
Okay, port side 2 meters above the water level, and pilot is done by.
Now we got the EPD, and the EPD showed up a problem. EPD was showing that we will cross the track of another vessel.
We're slowing down and we let pass the vessel at first, and after that we're turning overboard to the traffic separation scheme.
Okay.
At the moment we are still on autopilot. For the wheel over later on we move to the hand steering. Hammer Pilot, this is Bridge 1.
Yes, Matilde, our position for boarding the pilot is 435339.8 and 02204.
Okay, thank you.
They are showing us a recommended route to the pilot. Yes, looking good. So maybe we are going a little bit more to starboard, crossing the route of the Archemania.
Okay, we can accepting this route now. Hammer Pilot, Bridge 1.
Bridge 1, this is Hammer Pilot.
Hammer Pilot, Bridge 1. Question, what is the best course for the pilot exchange?
Bridge 1, this is Hammer Pilot. The course is 245.
245, right, thank you.
The evaluation followed directly after the scenario. This helped to analyse how the experts are going to use the solutions in context and what training needs will be necessary for the future.
The participants welcomed the information, they liked the suggested route which was given to them, but of course a lot of discussion will further take place about should the route be accepted straight away, what else do they need to consider with it. They liked to see the intended routes of other vessels and they could make the right decisions based on that, but now we need to decide which training course do we want to integrate it with and how to present that information to them.